Do you need tools for your drone? Somebody was just asking me about tools for the drones. These are what I use. These are my driver sets. They're 22 bucks a set, and they have exactly the tools you need to work on your quad. 1.5 millimeter, 2.0 millimeter, 2.5, and an 8 millimeter prop nut tool, so that you can do everything you need. One thing that is really dope about these sets is that they all have containers in the back of them. So my 2.5 millimeter driver has a whole bunch of cap heads with that 2.5 millimeter screw set. My 8 millimeter prop tool got prop nuts in it, so when you drop your shit in the bando, you never got to go searching through the dirt to find it. You can just grab another one right out of the back of the tool. This is the 1.5 millimeter. I got a bunch of cam screws in it. You know, just set yourself up for success so you're always ready to go. One of the things that a lot of people have been mentioning is how you need to have long tools in order to get access to things like this, and I highly agree. The other thing I really like about these is how they just spin on the back end, so you can do all your work with one hand. No need for some fiddly bullshit. FlyHighFPV.com. Get your FlyHigh Toolsets and set yourself up right.